This is a 2013 Range Rover Sport. It has a 5.0-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, a clean non-smoker interior. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, a built-in iPod integration cable, an air suspension, a locking center differential, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: voice activation technology, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, dual power seats, and this vehicle has fewer than 23,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Hiley Buick GMC is located at 3535 West Loop 820 South in Fort Worth. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.